Hey, I'm sorry for zapping you earlier. I just felt bad. I know I'm not that type of host to apologize to contestants, but sometimes I just do feel bad. I don't know how to control myself, to control my powers, to control my thoughts. It just feels wrong to not do it. I just didn't want to get judged by the other hosts.
Magiging okay lang din yan, okay? Apology accepted. Magiging okay lang din ang lahat.
Talaga ba? Magiging okay lang ba din ang lahat?
Oo, maniwala ka lang sa akin, kaibigan.